Hello guys, welcome to the 10th session of the ASP.NET Web API tutorials. In this session we will learn about the content negotiation. Content negotiation means the setting the content type of the server that returns. For that we need to use the accept header. The content type are the acceptable for the response. We need to set the header during the request. Let's switch to Postman and test it. First of all, we are trying to retrieve the all of the product, which return in the form of the JSON. But what happens you want to return in the form of the XML? For that, you need to specify the header accept XML and click on the send button, which will return the data in the form of the XML. For JSON, you need to write the JSON and click on the send button, which will return in the form of the JSON. You can also specify the multiple accept type by separating comma. You can also use the quality factor, that is Q. For that you need to write the semicolon Q equal to some value, let's say 0.5, and click on the send button. You can see that it written in the form of the XML instead of the JSON. However, JSON was written first. The reason for that is that we are specify the quality factor for JSON is 0.5 and we are not specify the quality factor for the XML, so it by default take the 1. So 1 is higher, then it will choose the higher one. If you are specify the quality factor 0.3 for the XML, then it will select the JSON. Syntax for the accept header is that accept colon MIME type semicolon quality factor equal to the some value and comma separated by the some other MIME type. There are various MIME type available which are supported, but the JSON and the XML are the most commonly used MIME type. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.